Welcome back to the course. Okay, in the last video we did the insert menu. We're now going to look at the page layout menu. And basically, in a nutshell, what this does, it's all about setting up how you're going to do any kind of printing. So if we go to data, page layout is the fourth tab. You can see this first section here is all about themes. So that is the look and feel, the coloring, the font, and the effects. So you can adjust these individually, the color, the font, or the effect, or you can choose a theme, which is a combination of these three. So if I go down here, I'm on Office now. If I go and I click on Facet Theme, you can see it's changed the look and feel. If I go down to Badge Theme, you can see the font, everything has changed. If I've got certain colors in here, the colors will change too. So you might have a specific theme that you want to do all your documents in. You choose the theme, and that will automatically format your text, your colors, fonts, and effects according to that theme. I'm going to put it back on Office. You can see it's returned it back to normal. If you only want to change the colors, you can choose a color palette from there. So that would be a range of colors to be used. And they're the colors that would come up anywhere you've colored anything, text, or if you have graphs that have got certain colors in, it would choose from whatever palette you've chosen here. Your font, whatever font you choose, will be applied. If you only want to change the font or the effects, you can choose different effects there. So that's all to do with themes. This section here is your page setup. This is all linked to your printing. So if you remember, when we went to the File menu and we went to Print, we had all of these options here. They are pretty much the same as what we have here. You can choose your margin, which is the blank space around the edges of your document when you print. You can have wide, narrow, you can choose whatever you want. You can choose your orientation when you print. I chose landscape, but you could choose portrait. You can choose the size that you want to print on. Normally it's A4. And here, print area is the area that you want to print in your document. So you can set your print area by highlighting a certain range and clicking Print Area, Set. If we now go to File, Print, and we look at a preview, it's going to be a preview of what I've highlighted. It doesn't fit on one page, so we might need to put it on Landscape, but that is the area that I highlighted. So I'm just using a bit of a table here, but you would want to go and set up exactly how you want to print all of your worksheets or your dashboards. You would use this section here. You can have a background image if you want. And here you can use your scale to fit. All of these are under that File Print menu. Here you've got grid lines and headings. So you can have a heading at the top of every page if you want. You could view it only in your Excel sheet, or you could have it printed on the document too when you print it. The same with your grid lines. These lines in the back of your Excel document, I want to be able to see them now because it helps me see how I'm doing, like the data in my table, but I might not want it printed on the actual final document that I print. So I don't select print here. If I don't even want to see them here, I can take them off. You can see they're now gone. So if you print it, it would look like this. There would be no grid lines because it's not selected under print, but you probably want to view them. Bring forward and bring backwards is where you've got multiple objects on a page and you can define which one overlaps the other one. So you can move one forward or you can move one behind. We don't have that option here, so that doesn't affect us. In a nutshell, on this tab, all we need to know is how to define our themes, which are our colors, our fonts and effects, and how to set up our pages for printing. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.